The 2013 Edge thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, airbags, automatic transmission, power steering, Bluetooth, FWD, passenger airbag, trip computer, power door locks, compass, power windows, heated driver's seat, leather seats, tachometer, heated passenger seat, rear wiper, heads-up display, power heated outside mirrors, driver memory seats. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.